Hey everyone, this is Julia, the Nomadic Crafter, and I'm here in my van. We're here at the mechanic shop. My good friend has rented me out his little office to sew in, which is what I basically try and do in my van life, is stop and get temporary places to sew in and make my handmade recycled clothing. But if you've never been to my channel, welcome. I'm about to show you a dress project that I'm about to work on. I'm going to take you... we're going to open the box together and we're going to view what someone has sent me to do custom work with together. So I'll open the box. I'll show you the project that I'm about to work on. Then later I will show you the end results. If I could do a good sewing video, I would, but they're just not able to do that right now. But if you've never been to my channel, here's my van. Show you my van real quick. Here's the van. Let's see, that's so weird. Right, there's that side. And then we come around to the couch, which I use as a bed. So you can't tell there's a bed in here. It's a pretty nice little space. See? All right, so I'm going to bring you over to the sewing room right now. It's a little loud because there's a mechanic shop on one side and like a door making shop on the other side. But we're just going to wing it because I can't wait to start this project. All right, so here we are in the sewing room. As you can see, my sewing stuff. Before we open up the new box for the new dress project, I want to show you what I made yesterday with the t-shirt I got for $1.75 and some scraps of other t-shirts. It's a dress. It's a recycled dress. It even has a recycled logo on it. So I hope you can see it. So it's strip patchwork on the bottom, all just t-shirt parts. And I left little logos from the t-shirts on there. This one says Mom. And this one says I Fly. So yeah, this is a large and it will be available in my store on Etsy.com, which is, you can find it by going to Etsy.com/store/California Patchwork. Sometimes you can even, I think you can even type in California Patchwork in the search bar and my store will come up. But sometimes other people's comes up too because California and patchwork are both very common words. So, now, I have a lot of custom offers in my store where you send me your clothes for alteration. And one of the projects I really like to do are t-shirt dresses. That's a recycled t-shirt dress, but I really like to take a t-shirt and a skirt and make it into a dress. And that's what these are. There are 4 of these in here. And we're going to take a look right now. The only thing I've done is peek my little head in there and I saw the colors and patterns. So it's pretty exciting to just get like a package and be like, oh my God, what's going to be in here? All right, well, here goes. They'll often pin the top where they want it to be cut and the dress where they want it to be, and they'll give me their total length that they want it so I can get that right. And if they're really good, they'll send me a note explaining what they need. I put a clip where the shirt hits me right on the ones that it mattered. General measurements given. And that's it. Yeah, it's wonderful to get that. So first we have here. Okay, there we go. And they're all together. That's wonderful. The first one's going to be, wow, a rock and roll shirt. And a pretty floral skirt. Now, I think this girl's got some style. I really like this. The key to this working is that this is wide enough when the waist is cut off to create some kind of gather or at least be flared like this one is. I'm already a little concerned that actually the shirt's wider than the skirt. No, the skirt's just wide enough. So that's all in the description, everything you would need to know. Seems like we got this one right. So yeah, this one's going to be awesome. It's going to look like this. Hi, I'm a new dress. All right. Keep that note with that. And the second one is going to look like this. Let's see here. What do we have? What do we have? It's like Christmas over here. Metropolitan Museum of Art. And a blue skirt with plenty of room. A gathered skirt like this is the best to send me. I just cut off the waist, so it'll be super wide. So this one's going to be like this. I think that's pretty nice. The white with the blue. I really love that. It's definitely wide enough. So when I put these together, all I do is iron the whole thing. And then if they have a pin in it, otherwise I determine where it's usually a high waist is the best effect with this type of design. High waist, leaving some for a seam, and I'll cut that. Then I'll take the skirt, I'll cut off the top, you know, and iron it, lay it flat, get it even, and then pin it to the top. Do the stitching, do some top stitching, and it's a dress. It's pretty simple. Sometimes it does take a lot of time to get this flat and iron it. But most of the times it's pretty simple, but the effect is pretty fabulous. That's 2. This must be 3 here. So for dress number 3, awesome. See, this is the best when you have a sports top and a girly floral skirt. It's my favorite. So there's the top on that one. And then this is going to be the skirt. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's wide enough. Barely, but floral skirt. And that's going to be so cute. Look at that. Don't you want one? Just go to California Patchwork. I'm telling you. You're going to love this. Sporting around in this? Oh, man. You can wear this with tall boots or sandals. Look pretty hot going out at the club, I'm telling you. It's a great summer dress, too. You can wear them over leggings if it's fall. And again, with boots. And the 4th dress. This is exciting. I'm excited. This is the kind of work I like to do. And we have a baseball top. It's great. It's got that boyish look. With this blue skirt matches the sleeves. Now, the only thing I don't like is this rayon fabric is really light, really difficult to sew. And if it has a liner, I kind of got to do it twice. I got to put the top on first, and I'll go back and do the underneath part. Or is it the other way around? It's the other way around, I think. So this one will go like... that's going to be so cute, though. This one, it's going to be pretty short for a dress. But maybe the pin's lower on this one. I don't see any pins. We'll figure it out. Wait. Wait. This one? I have to show you this way. This one's going to look like this. Adorable, right? Oh, so fun. All right, I'm really excited about these 4 dresses. I love it when people do a multiple order like this. You save on shipping. You save on shipping both ways. And she's going to have 4 new dresses that are one of a kind, made out of items that may be very special to her. I myself don't like to wear t-shirts much. I like tank tops and big baggy tops. T-shirts are like, it's like boring. But if you could put a t-shirt with a skirt and make a dress, to me, that's just fabulous. So she's going to have 4 new dresses. The cost for this project, for ordering one of these and sending me your items, is only $25. So for $25, you're going to have a whole new dress that's totally one of a kind. And it's not too hippie. It's not too conservative. It's a lot of my customers that get these dresses are all different kinds and ages of ladies. There might be some men getting them too. I don't know. And that's okay. So fabulous project. I'm going to go ahead and get to it. And what I'll do is a follow-up video to show you all 4 pieces completed. Again, the sewing for this is so simple. It does take a little bit of time. You want to get it right. You want to get it even. And you want to have a nice gather. And you want to have the waist at the right place. If you have it, it can be in a very weird place that's not flattering. So through experience, you figure that out. But it's pretty simple to do. But again, I'll show you the results in the next video. Thanks for watching my video. Again, my store is Etsy.com/store/California Patchwork. I also have a hat store where I make crochet hats at Good Vibe Hats on Etsy.com as well. So check that out, and really appreciate you watching my videos. I hope you like it, and we'll talk with you later. Ciao.